Now, in this episode, we're going to call the Fibonacci function of the math algorithm. Now, we're going to first call the function signature of the Fibonacci value. So, the Fibonacci as a signature function as a perimeter of value n. So we're going to first declare the Fibonacci of the first number. So the Fibonacci of the first number is an array of 0 and 1. Because the sum of the first two numbers is equals to the Fibonacci of the current number. And with that, we are going to iterate through a loop and find the end value of each param. So let the value of the index is equals to 2 and index is less than n. Then increment the result. After that, the values are going to return the Fibonacci of which the index is equals to the Fibonacci of index minus 1 plus Fibonacci of index minus 2. That is the value of the Fibonacci. Then after that, we are going to return the value outside the scope. So the Fibonacci of the integers that you're going to call are 2, 3, and 7. When you call the Fibonacci of the respective numbers, you're going to return a value of an array of 0 and 1. While when you call a param of value 3, you're going to return a 0, 1, 1. In that order, that's how you're going to return. Let us try and run the function and see how the Fibonacci is going to return. Thank you very much, because you can see the values have returned just as we had called them. And I hope to see you in the next series episode of our math algorithm.